Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone was doing great. In this video, I'm going to talk about a digital marketing career. So don't skip this video anywhere. Watch till the end if you want to become a good digital marketer or if you want to choose a digital marketing as your career. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this digital marketing career in a 5 points. So before going to discuss about those 5 points, if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And now coming to the first point is like you should decide why you want to learn. See, in this point, I'll explain three types of people. The first type of people is like they want to learn digital marketing to become a freelancer parallelly by doing a job. And the second point is like some may got irritated with a software job by coding and all, so they want to switch their career, they will come into the digital marketing field. And now third type of people is like already they will have a business or any startup. To progress their startup or a business up, they should need a digital marketer, right? Instead of hiring a good digital marketing, they'll think like they will learn digital marketing and it will be helpful to their business. So like these three types, you should decide why you want to learn digital marketing, because if you had a certain goal about digital marketing, then you will achieve that goal. And you coming to the second point is decide where you want to learn this digital marketing, because some people may learn through YouTube, some people may want to learn through offline institute, or some people want to learn in online courses like any platforms like Udemy, Udacity, or Google Digital Garage like this, etc. So you should decide where you want to learn. But I'll recommend, if you are a beginner, you should go through all the topics in the digital marketing using YouTube. Then you can get some basic knowledge about the digital marketing. Later on, I'll recommend you to get trained under a good experienced digital marketing trainer, because like up to basics, this digital marketing in YouTube will be helpful. But if you want to become an advanced in particular category, like in digital marketing, there are many subjects like SEO, Google Ads, or email marketing, etc. In that, in one particular subject, you should be expert. For that, I recommend to get trained through a good experienced trainer. So first of all, you should decide where you want to learn. This is about the second point. And third point is like practical skills. After learning a digital marketing, it's important to practice yourself. Means you can think like where you can get a work. A simple thing is reach out the people around you, or else any family persons or any relatives or any friends. Ask them whether they had a business or any startup. Like if yes, then explain about this digital marketing, how it will be helpful to their business. Then you can work for them for a free in a starting career, because you will get a good portfolio, right? In that way, you should get a initial clients, and that is your practice. So your practice is very mandatory. But one type of people which I discussed in a first point is like the people who are having already business, they want to learn digital marketing. For them it's okay, because parallelly by learning digital marketing, they can implement on their own business. So practical knowledge is very important in digital marketing. And now coming to the fourth point is, this is very important, that is you should decide which subject you want to become an expert on digital marketing. Because under digital marketing there are many subjects like SEO, or Google Ads, or else Meta Ads, social media marketing, or else email marketing, like this, and many are there. You should be expert in particular single skill, then you can earn good in future. Decide on which skill or on which subject you want to be an expert under digital marketing. And last point, the fifth point is digital marketing takes time. Yes, what you listen is absolutely correct. Digital marketing need a much time to learn. See, because this is not a one-time learning skill. This means like after learning the skill, that's it. That will be ended. Don't think like that, because digital marketing will be updated day by day. So you should update your skills day by day. It takes much time to be expert in digital marketing. You may say some of the videos on YouTube, okay, that will be helpful to you in a beginner stage, but to become a very good expert in digital marketing takes much time. So keep that in your mind, and according to that, you should choose this digital marketing as a career. I think I covered all the 5 points which will be helpful to you to choose as a digital marketing career. And that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.